Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see with the start of the video, misty, very strange weather this week. One day was so hot, close to the 40 degrees, then the next day misty, and it's been pretty cold as well. One day for a couple of hours, but yeah, strange weather for December. Hope you enjoy the video. This LITEFILL product really surprised me. It's like a foamy texture, and it's for filling up small cracks and holes and whatever. I used it a couple of places on the van. It really works very well and very easy to sand smooth afterwards for the bits that you put too much filler. But works like a dream. Excellent stuff. One thing I did do as well, I painted around the bottom that was never painted. I left that till last, just that I didn't want to get marks on it. Another thing I did is I've given the shower its first coat of paint, And yeah, a lot more space in here without the basin. Now I've just got to sort out what I want to do. The hole for the cold water I've closed up. Remove the cold water pipe. There's only hot water here. And then next week I've got to now decide how I'm going to operate my shower, but it'll only be on hot water, and I'll set my geyser to the right temperature so that I don't have to run through a mixer with cold and hot water. Yeah, and finally I got some carpet, so I've put some carpet in here. Does look a lot better, and there you can also see the sides that I've painted there at the bottom on that side and this side. I've still got to get it a final coat. And then on the floor, the table mount, I've removed that as I'm not going to be using that. I'll make up my own bracket for the front little table that I'll use as my office space, so that will also be done. That's probably next week. Yeah, for a long time the van hasn't been cleaned like this because I've been so busy and always tools and dirt lying around, so I've cleaned it all up now, because the bits and pieces that I'm working with now I can manage not having all the tools around. Another thing I also started with is roller blinds. I've still got to finalize them, but at the moment I've got roller blinds at the back and on both sides at the back, because the roller blinds that you buy, they take up too much space in the corners and it won't actually fit. It's the same here, there's very little space there, and the roller blinds that you buy, they need more space in the edges, so I decided to make my own. for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and next week hopefully I'll have my foam for the bed and the seating back all covered. I've ordered new foam and new covering, but with some hiccup I couldn't get it this week. I was promised to get it early next week. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the like button. All the best. See you next week. Cheers.